Hey guys, welcome to another video of Channel Army 34 on YouTube. But I'm gonna be opening this Evolving Sky box for you guys, only my YouTube fans. And then also, if you want to watch from like TikTok too, because I make TikToks mostly. But I'm gonna open this. Finally got one on my hands, so let's see what we get. There's gonna be no cutouts, so there's no like, oh, like he placed cards or something in there. I don't know. Something like, oh, he did something. I don't know. Just want to open this. Finally got one on my hands. Sick. All these guys. Here's our little pamphlet. See the cards that we're looking for. Just, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, definitely looking for, where's the card? Right there, Umbreon. Definitely looking for that card. Alright, let's see what we get today. Ooh, nice box. Love the packaging in these. 8 packs. Let's see if we get it. Alright, put this in the side. Let's see if I can close this box. Alright, put it in like a little background. Definitely gonna show you these packs. Come on, I need one Moonbreon. I need one. Just need one of these bad boys. So, code card, guys. Give out free code cards every time I do anything I open. I open anything, I give you the code card too. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the front. This might be it. Look at that. That might be it. Energy. It's a Pokemon. Cruster. Carrier. Scraggy. Hippopotas. Tempo. Lato. Eevee. What did we get? Ooh! A V card. It's a garbage one. If you get the name. Alright. Let's open another one. Come on. Moonbreon. Let's see. Code card, guys. Let's see if we get anything good. Water Energy, Hippo, Goldluck, Scroll of the Fang Dragon, Hippopotas, Pokemon. I don't know how to say half of these names. That's an Eevee, a Clefly, and then a Wishy Wishy, and a regular card. No hollow. Alright. Come on. This third pack. Come on, third pack magic. Give it to me. Code card, guys. I'm so nervous. I'm shaking. Alright. 3 cards in the front. 4 cards. Energy. Affliction. Shopping Center. Lantern. I don't know. Saying just a bunch of random names just to get to the end. I'll just say Pokemon so I won't annoy everybody. But let's see what we got. Ooh, a hollow. This is cool. Nice reflection. Alright, 4th pack in. Come on. We only have 4 more packs after this one. Come on. Give it to me. Alright. Oh, shoot. What am I doing? Here's a code card, guys. Code card, if you need to see it. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Crustal. Sun Badge Moon. Toy Catcher. Pakuka. Carvella. Fetching. Scraggy. Let me see. Stormy Mountains. And then no hollow. Definitely cool cards though. Definitely cool cards. Alright, 5th pack in. Get into it. Come on. code card, guys. If you need to see it, pause the video throughout this whole video if you need to see those code cards. 4 cards in the front. Energy. Dream Ball. Oh, sorry. Storm. Mountain. Boulder. Roggy. Fabay. It's a bird. It's a tiger. It's a lightning Pokemon. Carvana. Ooh, what do we get? Ooh. Oh, no holo. Man. Alright. 6 pack in. Let's get into this 6 pack. Just a lot of packs. 2 more packs to go. Only got 1 V card too. Energy. Treasure Energy. Deacon Gloves. A frog, I guess. A flower. A bird. A Lito. Chichu. Digno. What do we get? Wishy Washy. Alright. Second to last. Our 7th pack. Give us something good. The Pokemon gods, please. Please give us something good. Please. Code card, guys. Code card. Please give us something good. So scared. Energy. Shopping center. A dog. Another tiger. A fish. A hippo. A dog. A cat. And an icy dude. What do we get for the last one? Oh, a holo. Wah, wah, wah. Last pack. Last magic. Ooh. Give us something good. Give us something good. Okay. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Give us something good. Energy. Trainer card. A bird. A lantern. A hippo. A leap. Or whatever. A dog. Cat. An icy thing. I don't know what that is. A rock. What do we get for the last one? Do we get something good? We got Mega Garbage. This is so funny. We got, okay, ironically, we got Mega Garbage and we got regular garbage. Wow. Wow. These are my hits from the Evolving Skies ETB. Wow. You know what? I have one more thing. One more thing we can open up. Let's open up this. Let's open up this bad boy right now. I got you guys. I got you. You thought it was gonna be a regular ETB? No. We're doing something crazy. We're gonna get the Moonbreon in one video. We're gonna open this up real quick. And we're only gonna open those three Evolving Skies. Or I'll open up the whole lot. I'll open up this whole thing. Actually, yeah, we'll open up the whole thing. I'll do Battle Styles first, and then I'll do the what's it called? Technical difficulties. Dropping cards. Got a gold card. Definitely a nice addition to the golds I have already. Big Pikachu card. I'll put that right there for good luck. Let's start really fast with these real quick. Let's do these really quick. Battle Styles. I usually don't do these, but whatever. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Battle Styles code card. And I won't even do the 4-pack trick for these. I'll just look through these. Because, like, I don't I don't really like these. So see what we got. Nothing good. Yeah. Won't do the pack trick for these because I don't really care. It's not really my theme, you know. But if we do get something good, you know, that's cool too. Here's a code card, guys. If you want to see it, pause the video, see it for longer. All right, let's see what we got. We got that. Ooh, we got a trainer card. This is cool. Nice trainer. Yeah, let me put that. I guess the gold card is working for good luck. Ooh. Do some chilling pain. I'm known to do chilling pain on my TikTok. If you guys ever want to see a bunch of chilling regime videos, look on my TikTok, and we be pulling something good. You know, not all the time, but yeah, nothing good, guys. See? Yeah, definitely want to get through these quickly because who wants to look at chilling pain? It's so hard to get anything. This code card, guys. Code card. All right. Let's look at these. Nothing much. More chilling pain. Chilling pain. Chilling pain. Okay. Here, code card, guys. You see it? Nothing good. Nothing good. Nope. Nothing good. We're almost there to the longs, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, no power in the... Alright, code card. Code card. Alright. Oh, I actually don't have this one yet. This is a very hard card to pull for me. I just have no luck of getting that one. Alright, last chilling pain pack, and then we go in the Evolving Skies. Again, test the gauntlet of our luck. Look at this. Look at this. Chilling regime. What do we pull here? Ooh, gold card. Nice gold card. Alright. Oh, for the collection box, if you want that online like gold card on the game, this is it. Just gonna say. Alright. Let's do it. The card trick now. Here's the code card, if you're wondering. Alright, here's the code card. Here it is. Are we gonna get Moonbreon? Energy. Pokemon, Copycat, Rubbing Gloves, Poppy, Tentacle, Zula, a sheep, a bear. What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? Oh, come on. Not even a holo. Come on, guys. We need to get Moonbreon. Moonbreon. We need him. We need him. Code card, guys. We need Moonbreon. Come on, guys. Energy. Trainer card. Oops, sorry. A flower, I guess. Dragons. I don't know. Water guy. Tiger. I don't know what that is. A dog? That's a dog. Another flower. Oh, okay. What do we get? What do we get, guys? Oh, man. VMAX. Alright. This is our last pack. Last magic. This is it, guys. This is the last one. That's it. That is it. Last one, guys. Okay. Oh, shoot. Code card. Energy. Tiger. Trainer. Amon Lady. Aragi. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. That's a dog. Last card, guys. Last card. We got Pikachu. Gimme. Nothing good. That's weird though. We got a white code card, a white card, and we got nothing. Wah, wah, wah. Sucks to suck. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Whoever does watch it, please also subscribe. That would be very helpful. And to do a little review of the pulls that we got trash. Oh, these are trash. These are cool. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and peace. And remember to follow my Chan Army on TikTok. Thank you guys so much. Peace.